Well, hello, everybody. How goes it? Happy Friday. We did it. We made it to the end of the week. Let us rejoice. Alright. Yes. Indy, welcome. Man, you just got the timing down, huh? Pretty cool. Alright, let's actually add a thingy doodad. Sub renew tomorrow. Woo! Sub renew. Sub renew. Alright. In. We did it. I have snoozed ad breaks. Why? I don't know. I've never done it before. Why don't I usually snooze ad breaks? I don't know. Because I don't usually pay attention. And you guys are all subbed. What's going on, man? How you doing? How's your Orbem experience? Have you been doing your homework and reading Orbem every day? 30 cents off? What's that mean? Oh, from subbing? Uh-oh. 30 cents. Where are you gonna find that kind of cash, man? What up, Game Doodle? Nice. Correct. Right. I mean, all you gotta do is hang out in Discord. I don't think your mom's gonna be able to give you 30 cents, man. What, you wanna take another mortgage out on your house? It's not reasonable. Game Doodle. I don't even know where I am, man. Oh, it's been such a weird week with having Monday off, and then I took Tuesday off for the anniversary, and the kids had Wednesday off, and then I had to work, and then I worked Thursday, worked today. Today was such a weird day. It's been so cold. Ugh, and I'm all hot. But we're here, and that's all that matters. And yeah, did you see the newest printer video? 30 cents I'll be asking for. Correct. Yeah. I agree. I have games, writing, printing, and side programming. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Speaking of side programming, I meant printing. Here is the POC of the 2 light switch plate shelf. It is a monster. And it almost didn't fit on the print bed. because I made the switch plate, you know, twice as big pretty much, and I made the shelf just as like wider, the same width more, which was stupid. And yeah, immediately got like a layer skip, and the you can see here the support like didn't come out right. It was so stuck to the piece. Yeah. You watched half of it when I woke up and then my mom came home and I gotta finish it. Oh. Nice. Yeah. So this fail. Finished, and I was able to test it on the actual light switch, and it almost right. Yeah. So these are fine. The light switches themselves come out. But if you can see with your non-crooked eye, the holes for the screws are not the same. This one's a little lower. This one's a little higher. Yeah. Is it double-sided? Like shelf on the top or the bottom? Oh. I guess technically it could be. I didn't think about that. But then whatever you put on the shelf will kind of be in the way of the light switches, so I guess that won't work. Though it's not a bad idea for the outlet. You could turn it upside down so you can plug something in and charge it. Instead of it being on the top of the outlet, it could be on the bottom. Hey, that's another product photo. Good idea, Game Doodle. I didn't even think about that. Double for hooks for keys? Yeah, maybe. You can put your keys on anyways. But I already redesigned it. I mean, I have the, this is not the redesign. Do I have the redesign? No. What I do have is a branded Flex Keys fidget shell. So it has the Orbem Order new logo on the side, Flex Keys on the front, and I decided whether I should put the logo on the side too or not, but I don't know, I don't think I need to. But yeah, this seems like it'll work pretty well too. It just needs a little bit of support on the logo. But I mean, it's still a 40-minute print basically, and only uses like 25 grams. So, comes out really nice. And this is with ironing. I didn't iron the other one, which I'm considering not ironing this one, but we'll see. But yeah, I launched the Flex Keys video today on the other channel, right here. Flex Keys, and it's got some views, though I'm still not getting any actual subscribers on this channel. It's more just a dump on my printing stuff, though. I don't mind, and I'll just, you know, I'll just keep putting more stuff on there. But all my products too, I want to have videos to post so I can put them on Amazon as well, so people can see how the products are made, which I think is kind of cool. What the name or link it? I'll get one on there, not a Game Doodle account, since you know games. Huh? Oh. What's the other channel? It's just at Orbem Order Printing. So it's the same as my current channel, just with printing in the name at the end. Yeah, I posted it in a post today as well. Yeah, the channel. I posted it in a YouTube post today from Orbem Order. but it is at Orbem order printing. Just that. Alright, well, I know we have to do some game development today. I know we're in the middle of a boss fight, and I can't for the love of me remember what we're doing. Like, am I just fighting for fun? I think I already verified that the projectile for the boss is working, and it still hurts me, so. Hey. See. Cookie throw. Cookie throw well. Oh, and he hurts me. You little bitch, you little bitch, you little fucking bitch. Oh. Oh. Yes, he's killing me. You know, one thing we really should verify is if my logic for collecting items that give you health works still. Cookie to the face. Normally I'd love a cookie to the face, but in this boss battle I do not. What is that? My wife's trying to send emojis from her phone in chat on YouTube, but they're not doing anything. Oh, is it floating? I don't think it's floating. Yeah, I'm live right now. Click it again. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything in the chat. Oh, you see little hearts popping up on top of the chat? Oh. Oh, you're on the full screen. You're not on the phone version. Wait, do it again. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's in chat. I see it. Yeah. That's funny. Oh yeah, it's a YouTube thing. It's not part of the chat, so you have to say something in chat for chat to show up. That's funny. That's really random though. It's so discreet. Maybe it looks better on a phone. Interesting. Oh, I died. Son of a bitch. Little dog. He has something to say. Stout. That's a stinky little dog. Woohoo. Ow. Okay, so it's working. Goodbye. Goodbye, little dog. Our old boy. He's the last oldie. 15 years old. So I'm gonna start over. I think we're at the point where I need to start polishing all the shit that I've been waiting for, because technically everything is good to go. I could add more puzzles, more missions, you know, all that kind of stuff. That's building the game. I don't want to do that yet. But I do want to make sure, like, the timer for the timed button to button thing, that needs to be built. I don't think anything on the first level needs to be built. We already have the explainer signs now, which I should really fade in. It's very abrupt how it just pops in your face. I still need to add sound effect fields for all these things. But again, I think sound effect thing, that's still, to me, that's building the game. So, I mean, I can add the fields, but I don't want to do a full sweep of sound effects. I feel like I should even do that after I have the assets, because I want to look at what it looks like. Is there an explainer for the rocket run and carry? There. So for that, I'm going to add explainers for like suggestions of who should do what. So like when it sends you there and you see the fire, I want to say like, oh shit, there's a fire. And when you get close to it for the first time and it hurts you, then I also want to trigger something that's saying like, oh, I remember seeing Jeannie on fire earlier that day. I'm sure she could handle this, and then have her do it. That's my idea. I'm gonna have to figure out the logistics of it. I might just, put the trigger in the fire area, or before the fire area, and just say, hey, maybe I probably shouldn't touch that. Something obvious. And then for the timer one, I have to figure out what I want to do with that. I think I need to create the ability for explainers to be triggered by completed missions, and not just trigger points, because I can't assume that they're going to use Graham for everything at first and then be like, hey, you shouldn't use him. Gitmo or something. Gideon. Gutenberg. Are you talking about? Gutenberg. Guten Tag. Yeah, it's Gutenberg. Yeah. So there's definitely some more functionality I can add to the explainers. Let's just take it one step at a time, though. First off, let's fix the styling for explainers. So it's not so abrupt. So here's the explainer container, engage this block. Instead of that, let's put opacity 1. And then let's put... We can actually do this, because it'll get overridden. We can put negative 5,000. Oh, no. Negative 5,000 by default. Yeah. And then we can do opacity 0. And that should handle what we need. And then we'll add transition. Let's do 0.3 milliseconds. And we'll just do opacity. Coolio. So now, when it triggers, it should just fade in. It shouldn't be so, like, crazy in your face. Oh, now it's not showing at all. Alright, maybe the left is screwing it. Hold on. No? Wait, is the container... Wait, what? Yeah, because the trigger's right there. Container, though. Oh, it's engaged. It's still... Oh, shit. I didn't get rid of the display. My bad. Me bad. Okay. Now it should fade in. Come on. That was too slow. I think I shouldn't be doing milliseconds. I keep doing that. It's not milliseconds, it's seconds. 0.3 milliseconds is really fast. There we go. See, it's a little less invasive of my face. Cool. That's good. Now, functionality for him talking and walking works great. Oh, you know what I was thinking? I kind of want to put some time into the talking. So, I was thinking I want to create a categorization of talking so that you can assign ranges of frequencies to certain people. Like for him, it can be kind of like a lower frequency range. For a girl, it could be a higher frequency range or a mid range, depending what you want him to sound like. And maybe work on the randomness a bit. I think I want to try that out. First off, let's add a new taxonomy called talking range. And I also need to think about talking in general, because this is very specific logic just for this game. So I'm really wondering, do I allow you to turn it off, right? And that way you can add your own sound to cutscenes, maybe. Like add a MP3 file to each cutscene that plays out once it runs. I don't know. Hey, sorry I'm back. I was having an argument with my mom about if avocados and pickles are good together. Avocados and pickles? So I've only had avocados and pickles together in a double bacon avocado cheeseburger from Yaki's. They put pickles in their burgers, and there is avocados. But there's also teriyaki sauce to kind of counteract the sourness. So maybe on their own? Nope. Probably not. I'm sure everybody has an opinion on that. It's a very hot topic. And that's my hot take. Okay, yeah. So let's create the ability, at least for me. I'm going to add ranges. Maybe this will be the default talking for all the games. How about that? And then I can add music or, sound file fields per cutscene. Just so other people can change it if they want to. So in my case, I need to go to register taxonomy. And let's add this to the list. We'll call it explore. Vocal range. How about that? That's good. Do you think ham and pickles with ketchup and hot sauce is a good combo? Sure. Why not? Name. Vocal range. Host types. This will just be for characters. Cool. Right? Oh. Characters. And enemies. Probably needs to be in enemies too. Because those are also characters that talk. Okay. Yes. Okay. Vocal range. And now I need to define those. Which a lot of these taxonomies, I'm going to have to, I think, define those, but we'll see. When you get $200 for selling the GPU, I'm going to buy a 1TB M2 SSD. Sounds like a pregnant lady food to me. Yeah. Correct. Game Doodle's correct. You don't like pickles and ketchup? Like I said, in a burger, they're fine. But I wouldn't like dip pickles in ketchup. Unless they're fried. Maybe if they're fried, that'd be good. Alright, let's do this. Shit. Let's log back in. Let's go to character. MailChimp ready. Okay, we'll do Salverson. And let's add a vocal range for him. He will be low. Boom. Okay, now that we know that, we need to go to cutscenes. We need to go to the character part that like lets me know who's talking, and then I need to check their vocal range choice. Do I want to see a website you made in an hour? Sure. I mean, want is such a interesting word. I will. Okay. I'm guessing that's the character list. Yeah, that's my selector one. Oh, you made a Vercel app. Yeah, that makes sense. Simplify fraction. 4, 8. 8, 8. 1, 9, 8. What? How is this simplifying the fraction? 9, 16. 10, 16. Ooh. Lowest common denominator. Yeah. Math! Thanks for the calculator, Indy. Never seen one of those before. That's cool, though. That you can just throw together your websites like that. Okay. Low. I need to go to cutscenes. Cutscenes. And in the cutscenes, the talking, I need to define the ranges. And the talking, I'll have to update in JavaScript. But I need a data point to know which one to use. So let's go Q. Yeah. Let's go to cutscenes. Let's grab. We need the characters. So here's the character. Because they're always talking to me. Well, what if there's multiple characters? How does that work? Here we go. Character. Oh, I guess character can be pluralized. What? I guess this is if it's not an explore. Oh, that's right. If it's an explore area, I do cutscenes differently. Wait, what? Why do I do that differently? The talking's different, I guess. Yeah, it's not just like a big thing. Twitch is asking me to gift a sub for a badge I don't use. Dumb. Okay. So I need to add it here, but I also need to add it to... Oh, right. I need to add it to the actual characters themselves as well. Okay, that's fine, I guess. So this will be... We'll do that. And we'll do that. And now let's add another data point. Data. This is gonna be data, vocal. That's fine. And no, it's not gonna be the slug, but it is gonna be something about the jar. So we'll need to get... Oh, here's the post for it. And what's this? What? Wouldn't char be the same as char post? If I'm getting slug... Oh, no. This is the term. That's why. Okay, so I do need the post. Let's get vocal range. Let's do get the terms. Oops. And this is going to be character post. No. Character post. Taxonomy vocal range. Is that what I called it? I think I did. Oh, I think I called it explore vocal range. What? What? Oh. That's the first one. Should probably check if that exists, but whatever. Okay, got the term. Oh, that's the taxonomy. I need the term. No, I don't. This gives me the term. Okay. Right. And then here we need vocal range slug. Alright. I mean, if it exists, so. If. Now we'll do this. Alright, let's see if that shows up on the front end. Cutscene is cutscene. What? Oh, as if the area is cutscene. Cutscene Salverson. Here we go. Map cutscene. And the character inside here does not have shit. Okay, why not? Because vocal range is not coming out with what I need. Let's check out the vocal range. Ooh, it's the theme song for Orbem. I mean, escape to Orbem. Send you a function from the latest text adventure system on Discord. It's simple, very likely, not anything you'd be into, but it's neat. Ish in a very automated way. Oh, very cool. I'll check it out. You have 97 average across all my classes. You're gonna get high honor roll again? Hell yeah, dude. Congrats, keep it up. It only gets harder from here. So don't lose steam. Just fucking keep going, man. Keep being the best. That's awesome. Proud of you. Alright. Vocal range. Oh, it's because I spelled vocal range wrong. It's vocal rang. That will do it. Cutscene. And the character inside, low. Perfect. Okay, so now we know that he has a low vocal range. Yes, sirs. You're full of steam. Please stop doing that. Why? Don't tell me what to do, Tranian YouTubers. I'll build a game engine and whatever I want. I'll torture myself for years if I have to, but we're gonna get there. And by the time I'm done, WordPress will be gone. And you know what? It was a fun ride. Maybe this will be applicable to something else. It's a lot of WordPress work, but at least the front end is compatible with any JavaScript styling framework, so that's good. I'll just have to figure out how to dish out the HTML some other way. Vocal range low. Okay, now the vocal range is there. Let's go to the actual talking mechanics again. So that's the typewriter, right? Yeah, here we go. I should use press word. Never. Blasphemy. Okay, so here's the play frequency. So this is where things will get a little interesting. I need to figure out how to... No, your work is great, but when you do this in the future, people ask developers to do anything with WordPress. That's true. I didn't think about the implications with all future developers. What have I done? Hey, can we like add like an integrated RPG video game for our company into our website? No, that's not possible. It's like, but I just saw this guy do it here on the YouTube channel. And he's gonna be like, motherfucker. Orbem order. That's good. I like it. Yeah, that's my fault. I'll take the blame. Just send him my way. Fine, talk to him. He'll do that one part of the project. Yeah, so I need the word count to still control the frequency, but I need the range to constrain it so that it's on the lower end. Which, what is lower? Is it higher number? Is that lower? I forget. Shit. We might have to fuck around here. So what I'll have to do... That's what we do, man. Working on an NPC vendor that opens links into Amazon for merch. Ooh, yeah. You time yourself and you made a website in 20 seconds? Nice. Very cool. So, I have no idea how I want to arrange this. Well, first off, we need to get the vocal range, which is going to be based off of the character elements. I'm guessing no. I'm gonna have to pass the character. We'll just pass vocal range. Do. So I don't need to get that. Wait, what? What happened? Oh, right here. Right. So I have to pass vocal range, which will be... Where's the character? Position? Is that? Yeah, position, I think. No, that's the name. I need the person. So in that case... How am I doing this? Cutscene name, position, cutscene name. Yeah, how do I get all the characters in this cutscene? So I'm gonna have to check all the data characters inside of the cutscene, which is fine. So I have the cutscene. I'll just look at all the data characters. Cut character. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Right. Yes. So let's actually go back. I'm going to need to... So I'm using the character's name to define, like, who's talking. But... And this doesn't care, it just kind of, like, plays the text out. So I don't even think I should define that here. I'm gonna have to define that somewhere else, because we have the position, we get the cutscene, now we have the people, and then where's the part where I change the image of the person talking? That has to be inside of the, what, next dialogue or something function? Or move dialogue box? Right. Move dialogue box to talker. No, this is just for that. Oh, that's if it's a cutscene. Okay, this is where I change the image of the person. So I'm also going to need to define the vocal range to be used at that point. So let's do that. We'll do it in the actual cutscene. Like we'll change the data vocal range or the data vocal of the cutscene as it's playing out. So we have this. Here's a cut character. Let's get their vocal range. And then equals, let's do it inside here. Here. Vocal range equals current char image, data set, vocal. Okay, so that's the current vocal range. And then what we're gonna do, oh, this is getting rid of the old one. Let's actually do this on the new one. The new. Right? But the first one talking won't be in the right range then. So I'll have to do it initially on engage cutscene. Okay, that's fine. So then we'll change it here. And this will be new char image. Alright. And then let's change the cutscene. So cutscene dot dataset dot local equals local range. Cool. So this should dynamically change now with the, as it's people are talking, it'll change which range to use in the frequency. But now I'm gonna need to do the initial guy. So let's go to this. Let's go to start cutscene. Where is it? Here we go. Engage cutscene. So we'll need the first character. Which, how does that work? This is for closing. So I guess this gets hit first. Oh, okay. Current. And then it changes. Well, how long does that last? I guess it plays. Does it? How does this work? How does the timing work on this? Move. Oh, because I do move inside here? Oh, next dialogue. That's how it happens. So what's next dialogue do? Allow movement, yes, after dialogue, blah, blah, blah. It takes the cutscene dialogue and changes it to next dialogue. But how does it... Oh, move dialogue box right here. Okay. Got it. So this just keeps hitting next dialogue box on the set timeout. That's how I did it. Which makes sense. So the first guy, though, the vocal range needs to be set on load. So I'll just have to grab the first one. Which, if I go to here, I can get the current dialogue character right here. Right. Well, this is the character. Why do I need to classify the character? Wait. What's the actual character? This is the first dialogue. Oh, I'm getting dialogue. Okay, this is the first person. But I don't need the person, I need the first image of the character. Which doesn't seem like... Oh. Cut character engage. Oh, that's what it was. Okay. Right. Which must work. Alright, so let's just do it here. So, on engage cutscene, we need to set vocal range for first person talking. Okay. So we're going to get the first one. We're going to first vocal equals current char image. dataset.vocal. And then we're going to take the cutscene. I guess we'll do it. Let's do all this on the inside here. You. Cutscene dataset. Vocal. Equals. First vocal. Alright. So that's just on load. Sure. Redundant? I agree. Alright, there we go. Current jar image. Make sure that exists first. Okay. This should be good. So let's make sure that when I engage the cutscene, that the cutscene itself gets a vocal range set. So map cutscenes right here. And if I trigger it, I have a... Okay, well that didn't work. The cutscene did not get... Oh, you know why? He never talks. I'm an idiot. He never talks in this scene. I'm stupid. Let's make him talk. I think that's the only way to make this work. I mean, I could do it at a different scene, but I'd rather do... He's gonna talk in this scene anyways. I just haven't done that yet. So let's do that. And then we'll do... What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down? We'll make it long so it's easier. Alright, so this is MC. This is Salverson. Alright, there we go. Go. Nope, that's Slaverson. Not the same person. Alright, there we go. Okay, now let's check if the cutscene changes to low. Which I should probably add a vocal range for the main character as well. Here's the cutscene. Go. No, it didn't change. Even though he has data vocal range low. Huh. Feels like you should start with hey. Like all the other ones. Hey! I know. All of them start with hey. Okay. Well, that didn't work. So I'm guessing that means that I'm not touching the right person. So on engage, this is not working. Engage cut character. MC. Which it should, because that's right there. But maybe we should do it inside the cutscene, actually. Unless the first person that's talking is not in the cutscene, so yeah, I should do that. Data character. What did I do? Did I do something wrong? Data set vocal. Yeah, data vocal. I'm thinking that the either this isn't right or this isn't right. So let's go ahead and check what I'm getting here. There we go, and we'll check the cutscene. Make sure it even exists. Oops. Oh, and now I know what the problem is. I've been compiling SAS this whole time. God damn it. Game Doodle, fucking tell me, man. You're the one that's supposed to tell me when I'm doing stupid things. Hey, C-Films! How you doing, man? Glad you're doing great. I'm doing alright. We're just trying to add vocal ranges for characters. So, like, not all of them are going to have the exact same voice. I want some of them to have lower ranges, some to have higher ranges, mid ranges. So I'm trying to make some dynamicness in the talking, so not every cutscene sounds exactly the same. And that way it sounds like two different people are talking. So let's see if it works now that I actually compiled JavaScript. Yes, it worked. Data vocal undefined. Change to low. Yay! Success. I'm a genius. Don't forget that when I do something wrong. Remember, I'm a genius. Okay, here we go. Now let's use that data set. Hey, Iranian YouTubers. Oh, it's Iranian YouTubers. What did I say? I think I thought it said Ananian or something. What up, man? Welcome to the big screen. Now your messages show up. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay. Now what we can do is change the way we talk. So let's go back to typewriter. And this is where the vocal ranges are set. Let's pass the vocal range like we were going to do before, which I can now get from the cutscene. Okay. Grand, I say. Let's do that here too. Vocal range, that's fine. And let's do that here as well. Which is in next dialogue. So it's going to be cutscene again, data set. Vocal. Great. Compile. Let's change my character, main character. Oh shit, I don't have... that needs to be hard-coded. So, where's my main character? It should be in the cutscene here, right here. So he's gonna be, I don't know, mid. Vocal equals mid. We'll do high, mid, low. It works amazing. Oh yeah, man. I appreciate it. Feel free to learn as much as possible. Ask as many questions as you want. I will definitely give you answers. Okay. Okay, so now we have the actual vocal range in typewriter. Now the next thing we need to do is figure out how to actually use it. So here's the frequencies. We need to do something with this word count times 100. We need to limit it. And while maintaining the differences. So what I'm thinking is change the multiplication factor. Right? Because the bigger the number, the more you're multiplying. The smaller the number, the less you're multiplying. So for lower ranges, the frequency number is lower. I forget. Let's just give that a shot. So we'll do this. Vocal mult. So we'll do a switch case real quick. We'll do vocal range. And then we'll do case low. Then we'll do vocal mult is a low number. So we'll have to do like 60. I want it to be noticeable, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Hey, Dakdu, what up, man? Everybody's on the YouTubes today. Vocal is 100 by default. How about that? And break. Otherwise, case mid. We'll do vocal, mult. That'll equal. We'll do 100. Break. And then let's make it high now. We'll do vocal mult at 120. How about that? Those should be different enough, right? Alright, let's give it a shot. We shall see. If not, I'm gonna have to like really make the number range different. You just got on the doom scroll. Hell yeah. Okay. Let's turn up the talking volume. Now it's gonna be very loud. And let's give it a shot. So this is the normal range. I guess it felt low. Wrap the speak function in some HTML for easier poking. What? What's easier poking? What does that mean? Now I need to know what you're talking about. Wait, what? Game Doodle's in the lounge. Oh, that's what you were doing. You said you were in. Got it. Yes, I see what you're talking about now. Okay, so this is my header. Words to speak, tickle, tickle, speak, speech, synthesis, utterance. Words to speak, text, content. Wait, is this the text to speech? This is text to speech? Speech synthesis utterance. Oh, and then you can change the pitch. Is rate how fast it goes? And this is just kind of like built into JavaScript now? Okay. I mean, why not? I am getting a little bit like into this idea of text-to-speech, though I can't use typewriter with it. I'll have to do it separately, right? Because then it'll just start saying letters. L-A-E-E-E-O-E-O-O-E-O. So let's see what I can do about that. Oh wait, no. I am doing it by word, right? Yeah, word count. But that's just the number of words. That's right, that's right. I'm counting how many letters the word has. Where's my actual dialogue? Text. Okay, here we go. Text. Right. So I'm passing text, I think. Let's try it with text. I'm just taking your function guts out. I want to try it out. Yeah, I'll just take the frequency shit off. I'll just do that for a second. Let's see. So we have utterance, synthesis up, words to speak. Oh, this is just a text, so I don't need that because I'm passing it. And then I'll pass Oh, wait, what? Oh, the text is the text, guys. So you have to pass the text here. So that'll be text. Alright. I just want to see what it sounds like. My book inspired you? Awesome. To do what? This might change the game, Game Doodle. To write your own book? Hell yeah, man. Do it. Honestly, it's... the hardest part is just finishing it. Writing is fun, you know? And just keep writing. Don't stop. I mean, you don't have a timeline. Just keep going, keep going. People just give up. Alright, let's see what this does. I'm actually very interested in what text-to-speech sounds like.
Hello, Mr. Salverson. 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 Hello, Mr. Salverson.
I love it. I know I did it wrong, because I think the typewriter just keeps sending the same text until it's done or something. Yeah. See, yeah, it passes each text. Okay, hold on. I need to put this somewhere else. But that is fucking... This is it, man. And now I can do the vocal range. Why didn't you try to send this to me before, Game Doodle? And I think I ignored you. Or you came up with the idea to tell me. Alright, hold on. This is fantastic. I like this. Hello, Mr. Salverson. Hello, Mr. Salverson. This is fantastic. Alright, where am I doing the actual, like, word for word? Is it dialogue enter text? Oh, maybe that's it. Right. This is on load. This is dialogue. Where am I? Oh, dialogue. For each, remove, add. Okay. Reset dialogue. That's fine. Oh, maybe it's in move dialogue box. Is that where I'm actually doing the dialogue itself? Where's the dialogue? Oh, here it is. Current dialogue. Right. Let's try that. Let's try this. And now text is going to be current dialogue. Dialogue dot text content. Yes, this might do nicely. I'm excited about this. Hello, Mr. Salverson. Oh my god, this is gonna freak me out, dude, having them actually talk. I'm excited now.
Capital H. Capital M. Capital H. Capital W.
Well, it's saying the first letter. That's a start. Wait, what am I doing? P, engage. Oh, I need to get the text content. No, this should give me the whole thing. Why is it only giving me... The text content should be all the words. Capital H, capital M. Why is it giving me the first letter? Is it because I'm using text content? Hold on, I need to figure out what I'm actually getting here. Console. Current dialogue. Capital H, capital M. Well, you're about to hear it again. I want to see what I'm actually getting.
Capital H.
Oh yeah, it is a capital
Capital
H.
M. Capital H.
What?
Capital W.
Is that what the cutscenes look like? Hold on. I gotta look at the actual cutscene dialogue. Because it's not wrong. Here we go. Here's the block group. Oh no. That's weird. So it's the whole thing. But why is it only providing the first letter? It's part of the chapter shitty writing? Probably. Yeah. So when I get current dialogue, it's returning just the first letter in it? That's weird. What if I do... P engage. Not right here, it shouldn't be. No, because it's only giving me the first letter. It's not like it's going through each letter. Yeah. No, this is weird, because the HTML definitely doesn't only have this. Drawing out the typewriter to print scrolling text in the dialogue. Yeah, but still, P engage. Oh. Oh, right. It's showing it one letter at a time. Yeah, I think you're right. You're right. It starts each one with one letter and then it writes it out. So I'm technically screwing up the HTML. I mean the words with the typewriter. Got it. So I need to get it before the typewriter fucks with it. Should be possible. Alright, let's move on out of this function. This is also the wrong spot, obviously. Where were we? Yeah, because this is coming down here. Here's the typewriter. It's fucking around. So maybe it really is dialogue. Where am I defining dialogue? Oh, right here, dialogues. This is grabbing all of them. Like, maybe I should just make my own loop here, right? Because I mean, I know I need to wait though for it to finish writing. So maybe I can use the loop. Because this is just grabbing the first one. You're trying to wrap up SEO improvements? Hell yeah, man. Design is the fun part. So on load, I'm removing the inner text of the dialogue. I think they should replace the Titanic version with this song. I think I did a much better job than what's her face? Celine Dion. Well, I'm already looping through it here. This is just closing it though. You think the move dialog box is the right place? But by the time it gets to it, I already hide all the text. So I'm kind of screwing myself already. False equals contains been viewed. Yeah, I'm doing this. Heck yeah. 2 lines below onload. Oh, this part. Oh. But I don't think this is looping through the dialogues. No. This is just grabbing the first one. Yeah, this is just doing it to the first one. Right? Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, because this is hiding the text after it's set. And then typewriter takes over from there. So technically, when it comes into typewriter, it's correct. It's not the first. So element. This is the actual text. So technically, I think if I put element text content, maybe that's right. Though I think typewriter's going to keep getting hit way too quickly. So.
Capital H, he, hell, hello, hello, hello,
Yeah.
hello, hello, MR, hello, Mr.
Yeah, so this is not the right spot. But it's kind of the right spot. I think, like I said, I think I just need to make my own loop. Yeah, it's hard because I'm not going through each word. I'm going through each letter in the typewriter, which I still want to do. But I also want it to be... Yeah, where... See, it has to be in the move dialog box, because this is what changes each person talking. But I have to pass the full text in here somehow. This is tricky. Because they're kind of like fucking with each other the whole time. So in typewriter is what also calls next dialog, which next dialog is what calls move dialog box. So maybe next dialog is the right spot. Because we have current... I wonder if this is too late. Or not. I wonder. Let's see if this is too late. Like if the text is already screwed up by what's its face? Typewriter. Alright, this isn't even getting hit.
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Oh.
Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig. What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
Almost. At least we have some actual talking. I think current's the wrong way to go. I need to do the first line and then let this take over for the new one. So let's create a util function for this. This is fantastic. I love this. This is so much fun. Okay, here we go. So, where's the new dialogue? That would be... This is current dialogue. Next, P, right here. Yeah. Oh, we need, make talk. Make talk. I like that. Text content. So we'll just pass, you know, text into the make talk function. Make talk. You make talk now. Function make talk. Text. We'll do this, and we'll just do text. Okay, go. So this will be the one we call. And make talk will need to be in also the first onload of the cutscene. That first dialogue. Where you at? Right here, dialogue you. Right here. Text. Make talk. Fantastic. This is it. This is where we get our fireworks. And then I get to use vocal range, and we'll fuck around with that. And we could do low male, high male, low female, high female. You know, you do it like that. Here we go, first try.
Hello, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig. What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
Uh-oh. I broke something. Oh. Got it. Next P doesn't exist. I need to... Oh, yeah. I gotta put that in the if. If next P. Right, next P. There we go. I gotta put it in there. Make talk. There we go. Perfect. This is great. So now let's fuck around with it. So, we'll have to set pitch. I'm guessing the higher the number, the higher the pitch. Lower number, lower pitch. Is my guess. So we'll need to use vocal range in here as the pitch. Vocal range, which will default to 1. That was kind of high. And then we have the text. And the rate is how fast they talk. I liked the rate. I thought it was fine. So let's just default it to that. I don't know why you'd want... I mean, maybe I could have like a fast speaking character. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with this, which is kind of cool. Good. This is good. So much better. I should keep that play frequency though for like robots. There are robot characters, so I should change. You know, I should allow you to make a vocal range robot, and then if your robot use the play frequency. That'd be cool. Which I think I could do pretty easily. So I could actually just do this. I could take all this out and just add it to the other function. And word count, I guess I'm counting the letters here though. I guess I could just count the letters easier over there though. Let's pull all this out, since I'm not going to need it anyways. Wait, what? What did I do? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, yes. Well, I need all this, but I also need to delete all this. So I don't need to pass vocal range into here anymore. I don't need you. Grand, I do need you. So we'll take you. Hey, you're back. Yeah, well, I got a little excited. Check it out. We have talking.
Hello, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson?
I like the inflection
Hey, Craig.
too. It's actually pretty good.
What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
I want to go to the other cutscene where he's talking. Yeah, that was the voice you were hearing.
Let's talk. Okay, what do you want? To talk.
This is so good.
Okay, what do you want?
Okay, what do you want? Come on, dude.
Hello, Mr. Milford. Hi, I need my badge. Sure,
do you
I'll give
want?
that to you now. Thanks.
Thanks.
Before that, I need to tell you that you have to go find your onboarder. She'll be in the research grid.
So good, dude.
Alrighty.
So used to reading my own writing that hearing it talking is just fucking fantastic. Alright, so we got rid of it there. And let's add it down here. I don't need to finish this whole play frequency thing right now. But yeah, it'll be good to keep in check. We'll just put it here for now. I want to keep this switch case though. Alright. Alright, you can all chill there. Let's keep the switch case right here. So vocal range. We'll do one for mid. Really solid, great work, man. Great introduction to your code. Still amazes me how your brain works. Thanks, man. No, I love it. If I understand it a little bit, I will immediately adopt it. Let's do vocal range. Vocal range. Vocal range. Great. Okay. And then low, I'm guessing is a low number, so we'll do like 0.5. High, we'll do 1.5. Okay. So let's try that. Mic Talk is going to get vocal range here. Vocal range, which is coming from the cutscene. Cutscene dot data set dot vocal. Okay, which I'm not passing here anymore. Great. What? What do you mean? Oh, whoops. I did that. Let's do mid by default. Mic Talk. And then let's do cutscene vocals. We'll take it out of here. Nice, nice, nice. Oops, that was the wrong spot. And here. Vocal range in Gizmos field in Gutenberg. Yeah, it is. Oh, you mean like a number field? I could just make it a number field. I guess before... it's not as easy to adopt. It's easier to have like a map. That way I can keep consistency, but yeah, I mean, you're not wrong. What? You dropped my phone in the water and TikTok open. Can TikTok swim in the water? Yes. You had ramen. Fantastic. Alright, let's try it with the different ranges now. I want to restart. And this should work. Nope. Did not mean to do that. Yes, I meant to do this. Restart. Okay, here we go. So, I don't care about you. I want to talk to this guy. How much RAM is inside your personal computer, which you currently own and operate? Alright, Doc Dude. Catch you in the next one, my friend. RAM is 36 gigs. Alright. Go.
Hello, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson?
It's a good mid-range.
Hey, Craig.
Still sounds like a girl, though.
What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
I don't think it got that much lower. Maybe it didn't show lower. Hold on. I thought we already got that working. Let's see.
Hello,
Did it sound
Mr.
lower?
Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig. What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
Maybe it's not maybe it's not grabbing the new one every time. Next dialogue, cutscene. Cutscene. Query. Yeah, I Wait, where's it getting cutscene from? Oh, cutscene's from way up here, isn't it? No, it's from cutscene. It's getting it from here. I think it's not getting the new cutscene. That's the problem. Like, I need to re-grab this every time. So let's change that. Where was I doing it? Make talk. So this is the first one, right? Yeah, this is the first one. And then this is the one that I need the new cutscene. So I have to do something like this. Set. Dot vocal. Discord me or Discord you? What? Okay, let's try that. Now it should grab the new vocal range every time. And lower it. And higher it. Alright, let's try it again. Here we go.
Hello, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig. What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
Still not working. Interesting. Oh. Oh, male voice. Oh, you can actually define that. Hell yeah. Let's do that. And that's also something I can make these all specific, like male, female, whatever. So that's great. Oh, cool. So it's voice. Interesting. What's synth? Get voices. Where are you getting synth from? Yeah. What's synth? Because it's not seeing that. Get voices. Oh, is that utterance get voices? Oh, no, that's... So I need to do a new speech synthesis. Like that, right? No? Maybe voice? There we go. No? Maybe. Okay, for some reason, vocal range is not changing. I wonder, is it not a big enough change? Maybe? Let's get rid of this just in case that's conflicting. Vocal range should be low. So let's double check where it's coming in here. Vocal range. Alright. And for now, let's leave voice out just so I can test this. Until GameDoodle sends me an update. Alright, what are we getting here? Wait, what? What'd I do? What did I do? Failed to set pitch. Oh. Shit. So... Wait, what did... It didn't tell me what came out. Oh, undefined. Okay, well that would explain it. I'm not getting a vocal range. Aha! So I'm guessing it's this. This is not coming out. I wonder why. Position should be defined up here still. Yeah, that shouldn't change. Data set vocal. Let's double check what this is. Console log. Jewel. For now, we'll just do cutscene. Dot dataset dot vocal. Cool. Synth equals window dot speech synthesis. Okay. Window dot speech synthesis. Like that? No? I guess let's define a new one. And then we'll use synth here. It's redundant. Yeah, well, that's what I thought, but it's not working. Window speech synthesis. It looks correct. But get voices isn't working? Method of speech synthesis. Well, should be working. Oh, is it because I have a capital S? There we go. I had a capital S. That's my bad. Okay. Hey, how's it going, Shawshank and Thani? I just need to get this working and then we can call it. I do want to see. Oh, it's undefined. Wait, what? Vocal range should be defined. I changed it back. Wait, are we not getting vocal anymore? Why you no work anymore? Vocal range is not coming in. It's undefined. Out of nowhere. Okay. So something's wrong with the cutscene in general. I guess I was just using mid the whole time. Pasted. Maybe. Yeah, where was I doing the whole vocal range shit? Data set dot vocal. Well, see, I'm setting it here for the cutscene. And this is setting it for the cutscene as well. Well, let me double check the actual cutscene itself. So cutscene is right here. And let's see, when I talk, will it... here's the cutscene itself is right here. Okay, so when I talk... Oh yeah, it's not setting the vocal anymore. Good, I'm glad you're good, Shawshank. So yeah, by default, that means that this is not here anymore, which is weird. Or, oh wait, did I not add? Is it not added on my character? Is that why? No, yeah, see? Data vocal, it's mid. What happened? I missed it. Oh, Scotch time. I will start Scotch time, but it's very late. I will not be actually partaking. This is a Scotch time video. Everybody enjoy the video. There you go. This is where Scotch would go, but it's 1 a.m. and I cannot continue so late. I just want to fix this real quick. Okay. We got this. Why did we lose vocal setting? Wait. Oh, that's video. Don't you scam me. What the nut? So we have this on engage. So this should be setting it. Is it getting unset maybe by accident? It's possible. Cannot read data set of property null. Okay, well. So this is not getting found. Oh, why? The fuck? Cut character definitely exists, bro. It's right here. Oh, but it's not engaged. Huh? Yeah. Why not? I thought by default I made... No. Yeah, the first person of the cutscene on load should be engaged. No? When do I set the engage? And why was this working before? Maybe it... Okay. Maybe I'm relying on it when I shouldn't be then. So in that case... More talk wouldn't have the vocal range until the first person starts talking. When do I set it? Okay, add right here. No. That's if I close it. Where do I add? Is it right here? No, this engages the cutscene. Set? Yeah, okay. So this is wrong. Shit. Okay. So... that means I can't set on the first one until... Okay. Well, on load, I do move dialog box, right? So this is where it's looking for the current one. I'm so confused. Hey, Scab8, how you doing, man? I'm very confused. How does the first cut character get engage? So new char image. So how's the first one get set engaged? I don't know. Like when I set this cutscene to engage, it's not automatically engage. Meaning I'm setting it to engage somehow. Wait, how is it even trying to set the data set or get the data set if it doesn't exist? Hold on, what the hell? Or am I trying to do that somewhere else and I'm tripping balls? So this is undefined. Vocal range is undefined. Vocal range is undefined because this is undefined, so that's not as in care. But am I... Yeah, no, see my picture's not there because it's dying. So that means it's hitting make talk before it even tries to... before it even shows the character's image. Meaning that this won't work. I can't set it by default here. Take out the voicemail line and... No. It was working, but if I'm going to set the vocal range dynamically, I need to set the cutscene's vocal range by default, like right when it loads. But I'm having a hard time finding out who the first talker is, because I don't define the first talker until after the cutscene opens. Because this opens before I even set the image, which I set the image here, I think, during move. Let me actually check what's before cutscene. This is for moving characters and stuff. Okay, that's fine. Right here. So I think what's happening is it's hitting move dialog box. It's checking for current. Doesn't exist. Oh no, it does exist. The current dialogue it's looking at. And then it gets the character. And then I set the character here. And then I make the image. You know, if it exists, which it doesn't by default. And then I set the new one. Technically, the new one is the first one. So I need to set the vocal range here. Which I do. But I'm setting it after I'm checking for it for make speak. So that means I really need to do make speak in here, but it wasn't working. Yeah, because I am setting it, but I'm setting it after I'm making speak. On initial load. So this can't work. Not this. This can't work. The make talk one. The first one can't work. Because this doesn't exist. So this is gonna be false on load always. Meaning this, there's no reason to run this. Meaning this needs to go. Use no Firefox doesn't do other voices, but Edge does. Oh, that's weird. F Firefox. Least of my problems. So, in reality, it should be this. But I can't get the text. Because if I get the text here, it's already fucked up by the typewriter. I'm in a conundrum. He may always sound like a lady. That's funny. And I'm sure they'll update it eventually. Okay. So I need to do this. I need to pass text to the initial move dialog box. In fact, that's what I have to do. So first, text. By default is nothing. So, yeah. Right, so if this does not equal first text, then we'll pass first text, like that. Okay, I think this is the only way to do this. This is the initial load. And now it shouldn't break, because now it should be set for the other dialogues. Text is not defined. Oh, what did I do? What? Oh, wait. I thought it was defined. Up here. Oh, it's in if statement. And so is this. So you telling me on load text isn't defined? Can I wrap? Wait. Can I put this up here, or does it have to be down there? I feel like this could be up there, right? This is just if it contains engage and it's not been viewed. This is if it has not been viewed. These seem like the same thing. I'm just gonna put them in the same if statement. I don't understand the difference. Like, yeah, if you're looking at a specific cutscene, it should work. Like, cause you can't have different cutscenes for the same character that you're engaging. I think. I could screw this up. Hey, Shawshank. Can you put the const text outside the function to make it global? I could. But now I just wrapped it in the same if statement. So it should exist now.
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Mr. Salverson. Hey, Craig. What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
That was weird. Was that low? Oh yeah, the video died. My, that's weird, because, oh, I think I moved Scotch time, that's why. Yeah, the trailer is dead. I think it's because this, I lost access to the, external hard drive where the video is. We can just, whoop, for now. Yeah, that was kind of weird. I didn't feel like it went lower though. And it changed voices mid-sentence, which is kind of weird. This make talk shit's a little funky, isn't it? Oh, you know what's weird? Vocal range is coming out as an element, isn't it? Hold up. Okay. Why are you coming up as an... Wait, what console logs do I have? Oh, I did this. But what else did I do? Vocal range. So, oh, it's coming up as 1. Oh, that's weird. It came up as 1 every time, even for the low. Huh. Low should have been 0.5, so that's weird. Let's see what we're getting here. You have an issue, you might need a tissue. Yeah, for sure, man. We're almost there.
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Mid.
Mr. Salverson.
Mid.
Hey, Craig.
Mid.
What? I'm busy ignoring
came at
you.
mid again.
Can you keep it down?
Okay. So that means that this is not working. Oh, maybe it's the same reason that I was having before. No. Cutscene query engage. Dataset vocal. Wait, what? Oh, cutscene dataset vocal. Yeah. I think it's because the cutscene is not changing. I'm using the same cutscene here. So I need to reset this every time. Alright, here. Dataset vocal. And that goes the same for... No, that's just for the initial. So the rest should be good. Check the voices can be used on current browser. Oh, cool. Whoa. Expand. That's what I meant to do. Blah 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 for each voice. Blah blah blah. Oh, that's cool. Guessing and testing. I like figuring out the puzzles myself. Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Mr. Salverson. Hey, Craig. What? I'm busy ignoring you.
Wait, what?
Can you keep it down?
Hold up. Why'd that happen? So I'm redoing it. Yeah, during next dialogue. Okay. Yeah, they're all female voices. I don't know. I have to change them.
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Mr. Salverson. Hey, Craig. What?
It's
I'm
still
busy
going
ignoring
mid.
you.
What the fuck?
Can you keep it down?
Why am I still getting mid? Why you giving me mid? Make talk vocal range. I wonder which one is. It must be something. Yeah, because the cutscene should be. Oh, maybe it's not changing. Hold on. I guess I didn't check. Let's check that it's actually changing. I mean, it's not breaking anymore, but is it still changing?
Hello,
To
Mr.
low.
Salverson.
Mr. Salverson. Hey, Craig. What?
Yes,
I'm
it's
busy
changing to low.
ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
So if that's changing to low, this should be grabbing it. I just wonder if this is the one that's doing it or not. So let's also log next P. Yeah, it's kind of like switching from the first one to the second one. I can control the voice. Oh, but see, I am setting it to male and it's still not working. I wonder why. Because this is Chrome. So that's interesting. Is it the male? Like, is that not a real name? Might have to dig into this. Yeah, I'm on Chrome, so it should be working. Alright, so...
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Mr.
Okay, so
Salverson.
next P is hitting.
Hey, Craig.
So it is grabbing the cutscene
What?
fresh every time.
I'm busy ignoring you.
But for some
Can
reason,
you keep it down?
it still says mid. Maybe I'm grabbing it before it changes? It's the only thing I can think of. Like, is this happening before it's changing the cutscene? This is happening next dialogue. Is next dialogue happening? So here's the cutscene engage. Current dialogue. Well, why am I doing it like this though? Can't I just grab the next? No, it's not the next P. It's the character. Right, it's the character. Microsoft David. Let me copy that. Yeah, because I feel like the cutscene must be changing the dataset value after I talk. That must be what's happening. So like, I need to change it before it talks. So maybe I should move this after here. Maybe. Maybe that will do it. Oh no, but then I'm losing the inner text. So I'll have to change this to text. There we go. Let's try that. And then let's see if we can change the name. Google Voice? I mean, I'll try this, I guess.
Hello, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig. What? I'm
Yes.
busy ignoring you.
It worked.
Can you keep it down?
Alright, we got vocal range. Well, at least that kept it the same voice the whole time. Google UK English. Let's try it. Awesome, awesome. Alright, well, we have ranges now. So that's good.
Hello, Mr. Salverson.
Mr. Salverson.
Oh, it changed again.
Hey, Craig.
What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
The low's pretty good. Let's try again.
Hello, Mr.
Yeah, still did the
Salverson.
girl.
Mr. Salverson. Hey, Craig.
What? I'm busy ignoring you. Can you keep it down?
Alright, let's see if sounds work. I'm gonna have to call it. But, this has been fun. Oh no. We lost something. What happened? We lost vocal range. Must be because of the new area. I don't know why. But it seems like the new area is not transferring the vocal range for some reason. I wonder why. Undefined. We lost vocal range. What did I not do this time? Vocal range. Move to talk. Maybe it's because the cutscene doesn't exist yet? No, it should exist. Must be the first try vocal range. Because vocal range comes from the new character. Interesting. This comes from here. But this isn't working. Apparently. Huh. That's weird. I bet it would work if I refresh though. No, it doesn't. Well, that's good. That means there's actually something wrong. What the hell's in the cutscene then? Cutscene has undefined. Oh, I didn't set a vocal range for Salverson Office. That's why. That's my bad. Yeah, I forgot. You gotta set it for each character. So I can just do that real quick. Vocal range, low. So now it should work.
Let's talk.
Okay, what do you want?
To talk.
To talk.
Okay, what do you want?
Alright, well. It's going to take some finagling, but I think this is definitely a route I want to explore. I don't like that the voices change mid-sentence, so I need to definitely do some research into the voices API, which, you know, should be fine. Should be easy to figure out. I'm sure a lot of people have figured out how to stabilize that. And yeah, hey, everybody who's jumped on, you know, I really appreciate it. YouTube Shorts live feed blowing up. It's great. YouTube's been really good, and Twitch in and out, so appreciate everybody. Hope you had a great Friday, and now it's Saturday for me, but hope you all have an amazing weekend. I'll catch y'all on Monday. If you're watching this in the future, hey, come hang out. I'll be back on Monday, and make sure you subscribe and follow, you know, on Twitch and YouTube and all the good stuff, so you can see what's going on. And check out the new Orbem mortar printing channel, my 3D printing channel. It has a lot of awesome stuff that I've been printing, the products I'm making, the addictive fidget flex keys, and yeah, a lot of fun stuff there. So thank you, everybody. Have an amazing night. Catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot, Game Doodle. As always, we're making the game a better place.